Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two important words, either and neither.
These words are about choice and negation.
Understanding them makes your English more precise.
They're used constantly in everyday conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll use both confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words do.
They both talk about two things or two people.
Either is positive. It means one or the other.
Neither is negative. It means not this one and not that one.
Let's explore each one.
Word 1. Either.
Either presents a choice between two things.
The key idea is one or the other, but not both.
Structure. Either A or B.
Either coffee or tea. Either Monday or Tuesday.
Uses of either.
Use 1. Offering a choice between two things.
You can have either pizza or pasta. Choose one.
We can meet either today or tomorrow. Pick one.
Use 2. Saying both are acceptable.
Either option is fine. Both work.
You can use either door. Both doors work.
Use 3, meaning also in negatives.
I don't like it. I don't either. Me neither.
Word 2. Neither.
Neither is the negative form, rejecting both options.
The key idea is not this one and not that one.
Structure. Neither A nor B.
Neither coffee nor tea. Neither Monday nor Tuesday.
Uses of neither.
Use 1. Rejecting both options.
I want neither pizza nor pasta. I don't want either one.
Neither option is good. Both are bad.
Use 2. Agreeing with a negative statement.
I can't swim. Neither can I. I also can't. The key differences.
Either equals positive, presenting a choice, one or the other.
Neither equals negative, rejecting both, not this and not that. Either or versus neither nor.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Linda, do you want to go out for dinner tonight?
Sure. What are you thinking? Italian or Chinese?
Either one is fine with me. What do you prefer?
I don't really want Italian tonight.
Neither do I, actually. Let's go for Chinese then.
Perfect. Should we go to the place downtown or the one near the mall?
I haven't been to either place. Which is better?
The downtown one is better, but both places have parking.
That's okay. We can take either the bus or a taxi.
Good idea. I don't want to drive either.
Did you notice both words?
Italian or Chinese, presenting choices.
Either one is fine. Both options acceptable.
Neither do I, agreeing with negative.
I haven't been to either place. Not to this one, not to that one.
Neither place has parking. Both don't have parking.
Either the bus or a taxi. One or the other.
I don't want to drive either. Also not.
both used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Mixing either with nor.
Wrong. Either this nor that. Correct. Either this or that.
Either goes with or.
Mistake 2. Mixing neither with or.
Wrong. Neither this or that. Correct. Neither this nor that. Neither goes with nor. Mistake 3. Using double negatives with neither.
Wrong. I don't like neither. Correct. I don't like either or I like neither.
Neither is already negative. Mistake 4. Wrong verb agreement.
Wrong. Either of them are good. Correct. Either of them is good.
Either and neither take singular verbs.
Mistake 5. Using for more than 2 options.
Wrong. Either A, B, or C. Correct. Use any for 3 or more.
Either and neither are for 2 options only.
Either or in different contexts.
Making choices.
Either you come with me or you stay here.
We can either walk or drive.
Presenting alternatives.
It's either now or never. Either way is fine.
Neither nor in different contexts.
Rejecting both.
I like neither cats nor dogs. Don't like either.
Neither the red one nor the blue one fits.
Emphasizing double negative.
He is neither smart nor hard-working. Not smart, not hard-working.
Either at the end of negative sentences.
Meaning also or too.
I don't like coffee. I don't like it either. Me too. Neither.
I can't swim. I can't swim either. Me neither.
Very common in spoken English.
Neither at the beginning for agreement.
Agreeing with negative statements.
I haven't seen that movie. Neither have I. I also haven't.
I don't like spicy food. Neither do I. I also don't.
Inverted structure. Verb comes before subject.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using either or.
Day 2. Write 10 sentences using neither nor.
Day 3. Practice using either at the end of negative sentences.
Day 4. Practice using neither to agree with negatives.
Day 5. Notice these words in movies or shows.
Day 6. Create conversations using both.
Day 7. Explain the differences to another learner.
By week's end, you'll master these.
Pronunciation.
2 ways to say either.
American English, either, like teeth.
British English, either, like I.
Both are correct.
Neither follows the same pattern.
American, neither. British, neither. Verb agreement with either and neither.
Very important rule.
When either or neither is the subject, use singular verb.
Either is fine. Neither is correct.
With either of or neither of, still singular.
Either of them is good. Neither of us knows.
When using either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearest subject.
Either you or I am going. Nearest is I am.
Neither the students nor the teacher was ready. Nearest is teacher, was.
Either of, neither of.
Talking about 2 specific things.
Either of these books is good. Either one of these 2.
Neither of my friends likes coffee. Not this friend, not that friend. Of makes it more specific.
Emphasis with either and neither.
Making statements stronger.
I don't like it either. Emphasis.
Neither one is acceptable. Strong rejection.
Tone adds meaning.
Informal writing.
Professional contexts.
Applicants must have either a degree or 5 years of experience.
Neither option meets the requirements.
Clear and precise.
In conditional sentences.
If-then patterns.
If you want either option, let me know.
If neither solution works, we'll try something else.
Fixed expressions.
Common sayings.
Either way. Either or. Neither here nor there. Not relevant.
It's neither fish nor fowl. Doesn't fit any category.
Natural phrases.
More detailed examples.
Let's see more situations.
Choosing activities.
We can either watch a movie or go for a walk.
I want to do neither. I'm too tired.
At work.
Either option will solve the problem.
Neither solution is cost-effective.
In relationships.
Either you trust me or you don't.
I have neither the time nor the energy for drama.
Different contexts.
Understanding either as both.
Sometimes either means both are okay.
You can sit in either chair. Both chairs are available.
Either door leads to the exit. Both doors work.
Context makes it clear,
Neither for emphasis.
stressing that both are rejected.
Neither answer is right. Both are wrong.
He's neither qualified nor experienced. Lacks both.
Strong rejection.
Using me either versus me neither.
Both are used.
I don't like it. Me either or me neither.
Both mean the same thing.
Me neither is more common and slightly more correct.
But me either is widely accepted in casual speech.
In questions,
In questions.
asking about choices.
Do you want either coffee or tea?
Is neither option working?
Common question patterns.
With modals.
With modals.
Adding can, should, must, etc.
You can choose either one. We should accept neither offer.
You must pick either this or that. They could be either right or wrong.
Modals add meaning.
Position in sentences.
Where these words go.
Either can go at the beginning or middle.
Either we go now or we stay. Or we can go either today or tomorrow.
Neither also flexible.
Neither choice is good. Or I like neither option.
Either at the end of negatives.
I'm not going either. Also not.
In past tense.
Same rules apply.
Either option was fine. Neither place had parking.
I didn't like it either. Neither did I.
Works in all tenses.
Common errors review.
Let's review crucial mistakes.
Never, either, nor. Always, either, or.
Never, neither, or. Always, neither, nor.
Never, I don't like neither. Always, I like neither, or I don't like either.
Never, either of them are. Always, either of them is.
Never, use for 3 plus options, only for 2.
These are critical.
Comparing both.
Same situation, different words.
Positive, either Monday or Tuesday works. Choose one.
Negative, neither Monday nor Tuesday works. Both are bad.
Opposite meanings.
Real-life examples.
At a restaurant.
Either soup or salad comes with the meal.
I want neither, just the main dish.
Shopping.
Either size should fit you.
Neither color looks good on me.
Making plans.
We can meet either morning or afternoon.
Neither time works for me.
Quick review.
Either equals positive, one or the other.
Either ... or for presenting choices.
Either at the end of negative equals also, too.
Neither equals negative, not this and not that.
Neither ... nor for rejecting both.
Neither at the beginning equals agreeing with negative.
Either goes with or.
Neither goes with nor.
Both refer to two options only.
Both take singular verbs.
Don't use don't with neither, it's already negative.
Pronunciation varies, American versus British.
You now understand both completely.
These words make your choices and negations clear.
Practice using them in daily conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. I like ... coffee ... tea. Use neither ... nor.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Bye.